Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ege speaking. Right now we're going to be designing a clock, the wall clock with the 12 inches diameter with the mechanical parts, all the gears in the back and the system, entire system. And the part of this is the face of the clock, and that we're going to accomplish hopefully in the first attempt. And there will be other videos including the arms, clock arms, and the back side of the clock and all the mechanisms in the back. Okay, and so first we start inventor. This project will be done inside the inventor, and we're going to select a plane first. Okay, and I will go with the YZ plane, one on the top, and usually I choose a vertical plane because the clock is going to be standing up, and I'm going to create a sketch. And computer gives me a starting point of yellow point and two cross lines that enables me to start the first line. The first, I want to create a polygon, and the polygon will have 12 sides, and we need to choose 12-sided polygon. Now, this is totally up to the personal choice. Okay, you can design a circle. You can have a clock face from triangle or octagon, pentagon, hexagon, any shape you like to have. And I am choosing a polygon with 12 sides. So I move my cursor under the rectangle, and the pull-down menu, at the very bottom of the pull-down menu, there is a polygon command. I choose that, and there is a number of the sides, okay, and the number of the sides will be 12, and there is also the direction of the polygon, either first option or second option. I'm going to go with the second option, and this is the circumscribed polygon, and I'm going to move my cursor at the 0,0 point, move my cursor up, and I'm going to go up about 12 inches diameter. Now, if I'm going to dimension this one a little later and check it out again. Right now, I do not have any numbers showing up on the screen, so this is what I have right now, and I'm done. Okay, and I'm going to dimension it and to see exactly how far it is from where it is, and this came out very short, 1.6 inches. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna just simply type 12 inside enter, and now it measures exactly 12 inches. Good. Why 12? Because there are 12 hours in a day. There are 12 numbers actually, and not that we're going to have all the numbers in place. Maybe we're going to have 3-4 numbers, but the whole point of it is we will have, okay, the 12 numbers, basically 12 locations for the hour clock, hour. Okay. If it's not perfectly lining up, there's always a chance to rotate the entire system, and center point of the rotation, and I just want to align the 12 o'clock with the vertical line, and I think it's better now, and I'm done with the rotation. At this point, it's a good idea after each accomplishment save your work, so you can go to File and Save As. In the sketch mode, you cannot save it, obviously. You have to extrude it a little bit. What else can be done at this level? The hour arm is pretty much done. The face of, so I'm going to finish the sketch and extrude it about 3/16 of an inch. So I'm going to go with the extrude command, and this time I'm going to enter. And at the same time, I want to see what it looks like, so I'm going to change the angle, kind of like that. Okay. And I'm getting out of the orbit command and typing 3/16. Enter. Okay. And this is the left side view. Okay, and I'm going to work on this first. So I'm going to select this plane and I'm going to create a sketch. Okay. Now I want those numbers within the circles. Okay, we're going to maybe extrude the circles or maybe depress them. Either way, I need a circle. Okay, on the surface, and this is going to be okay, 12 o'clock circle, and inside this I need a number now. Escape, of course. After each command, you need to escape, and now we need a text. Okay, and the text, you need to format the text, and it has to be center formatted and vertically and horizontally, and we need to select also boldface letters and what kind of lettering. It is Tacoma, and what we need is perhaps a bold lettering. There are so many different varieties of text fonts. And I'm going to go with the comic, and I'm going to enter first 0.5 inches for the text thickness and type 12. And that needs to be adjusted font again. Okay, so I'm going to OK this text over here. Okay, so after positioning the text the way it looks like this, let me summarize what we're going to do very quickly. We're going to finish the sketch, okay, and change the angle a little bit, and we're going to extrude command, use the extrude command for the circle to extrude about, say, 1/16 of an inch, okay, and 1/16 of an inch. You can just literally type that 1/16 of an inch. And also, this is an additive, Boolean additive extrusion. You could add a cut. So you click on the plus button at the lower right-hand corner. Okay, select the letter. Okay, and this will be extruded. A cut type of extrusion, and that can be or should be more than 1/16 of an inch, is about right, and now okay. So we have, I extruded the letter about 1/4 of an inch, and the medallion, second time around, I extrude the medallion about 1/16 of an inch. Okay, so that's two different extrusions and forward, and both of them seem to be working. So I'm going to actually repeat that. I'm going to go back to sketch and repeat everything I did, okay? So I'm back to Sketch now, and there is a circular pattern command, circular pattern command that I'm going to select the circle now, okay? And I'm going to select the center of the circle, which is going to be the starting point. And I want not 6 copies, but 12 copies, okay? And I made 12 copies now. How about the letters? Letters are going to be copied by hand. It does not copy the letters by hand. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the copy command to make new letters. That's going to be 1. There's going to be 2 and 3 and 4 and maybe not. We don't need all of them. Maybe we need 1, 2, 3 of them. Okay. So I'm going to erase the other ones. Everybody knows where the 1 is, right? But we double-clicked the letters, and there's supposed to be number 3 here. There's going to be a separate box, and type 3 and OK it. So that changes to 3. And go to the number 12, where the number 6 is supposed to be. Double-click the letters, please. And where there's supposed to be 9, type 9 and click OK. And where there's supposed to be 6, you're going to need to type inside the 6, enter. Now, finish the sketch. Now we're going to save everything. Save first, of course. And clock face, just type face. Every clock needs a face. Okay. Now extrusions. And let's go to extrusion command. So for the first extrusion, we're going to choose, sorry about that. For the first extrusion, we're going to choose letters. Okay. For the second extrusion, we're going to choose 1/8 of an inch extrusion. Circles. And OK. And save your work. All right. We also need this hole at the center, about 1/2 inch diameter. So we need to select the surface and create a sketch and go to circle command, create a circle that measures 0.5 inches, enter. Okay, that needs to be finished, and then we're going to extrude. But this is a cut kind of extrusion. Okay. I think we're finished with the clock face right now. Um, I'm just double checking if the cut worked. Cut did not work the way I expected. So I'm going to go and change the last extrusion, increase the last extrusion, whatever that is. Oh, it's 1/8 of an inch only. And I know it's at least 3/16 of an inch, so 3/16 of an inch thickness. Enter. Now I have a 1/2 inch diameter. Okay. All right. One of the things you can do at this stage, after saving your work, of course, there's going to be other parts, and we're going to assemble those other parts. You can literally design a little later. Material, selection of the material. And I like to choose glass so that I can demonstrate how the background is, where the gears are. But the glass, ordinary glass, will not do too well. I'm going to choose a color. Perhaps something blue color, maybe. Denim blue. Gold color. You choose different things. This is totally personal choice. So I suggest you to check a number of other options. Okay. All right. So next class we're going to be working on some other features. Thank you very much.